Picmaker Dashboard gets a fresh new look. Right from the search bar to templates, everything is new. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through our brand new dashboard. Let's begin with setting up your workspace. Enter the name of your workspace, your role, and the type of your organization. Now, let us know why did you choose Picmaker. This will help us make Picmaker better for you. To help us build better integrations, select where you share your design. Your workspaces are on the left side. Now, it's easy to switch to different workspaces. Place the cursor over a workspace to know its plan. You can witness Create a Design button both on the left and top right. Be it for Instagram, Facebook, or any other social platform, the dimensions are predefined. Make the best use of the search bar to quickly find your preferred platform. You can either start from a blank page or browse thousands of templates. You can also start creating a design using the search bar. As you can see, the post and story dimensions are mentioned by the side of the respective platforms. Type to find your desired platform. All the design categories in the search bar are also decked in this horizontal slider. You can use these tags to filter out designs based on your specific needs. If your dimension is not listed, don't worry. You can always key in your dimensions using custom size. Below the horizontal slider, you can find your recent designs. Your designs are also decked in the My Design section in the sidebar. These are our most popular design templates. Right below your recent designs, our hot templates are curated and decked. Designs that are shared with you are here under the Share with Me section in the sidebar. Feel free to rename your designs and invite others to work on your designs right from here. It's that easy. You can view all your team members and manage them in this section. Adding or deleting a team member and changing roles is a piece of cake. The ability to add multiple brand kits is finally here. If you haven't used a brand kit yet, it's time to add your brand logo, fonts, and other brand assets to your brand kit for easy access. Add more than one brand kit to step up your branding game for your different clients. Next up on the sidebar is Earn with Picmaker. Earning good money just became a walk in the park with Picmaker's affiliate program. Register to our program, promote your affiliate link, and start earning right away. Tutorials, blogs, and FAQs are your go-to resources to learn Picmaker. They also help you to master the nooks and corners of graphic design. That's all about Picmaker's new dashboard. Hope this video helped you easily navigate through our exciting features. Hit the like button and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.